Hi everyone, welcome to Solutions. In today's educational video, we are going to be looking at past question review and focusing on English language paper 1 May-June WAEC 2008 past question. And majorly in this video, we are going to be looking at the general comments of WAEC on English language May-June 2008. These are the following comments by Wyatt. The standard of the paper compares well with those of the previous years. The topics for composition were similar to those set in recent years: letter writing, newspaper article, debate, and storytelling. Similarly, the passages for comprehension and summary exercises were on very familiar topics. On the whole, the questions were within the competence of the candidates. However, despite the deliberate attempts to give the candidate tests within their experience and capabilities, the performance of candidates did not show any improvement on previous year's performance. That's pathetic. There was instead a degeneration of standard in some areas, especially the summary test, in which many candidates recorded a 0 score. So in summary, Wyatt noted that the performance of this year was poorer than last year's performance, and that was not supposed to be, because it didn't reflect any experience of previous year's question. So this is the comment of WAEC on the English language paper 1 May-June 2008, and this is where I'll be stopping on the comment. If you want to ask us questions or make inquiries about WAEC and NECO questions, you can send your inquiries or questions to lanretsolutions@gmail.com. To copy text version of English language paper 1 May-June 2008, you can visit the address you are seeing on your screen. Then to get past questions and solutions for different subjects as a text file, you can copy that from lanretsolutions.blogspot.com. This is where we are going to be drawing the curtain for the general comments on that paper. Thank you. See you in subsequent videos. Thank you.